Hello. I'm using Pretty Merch Pro Plus to look at trending shirts. Father's Day shirts are trending for Father's Day in a few weeks. There are graduation shirts since it's currently graduation season. For Pride Month in June. These are big t-shirt niches that sell every year. Some sell all year. You should be designing or uploading for them if you haven't already. These are shirts based on the movie Top Gun, which is releasing this weekend. Let's click on the brand. It's actually official merch for the movie. I would stay away from any Top Gun designs as they infringe with copyright. Thank you.